In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use transitions in OBS Studio in tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to pick the right transition, fine-tune its timing, add specialty effects, and safely preview everything before you go live. Start by opening OBS Studio so you can see your scenes and sources. We'll be working with the Scene Transitions dock, which controls how OBS switches from one scene to another. If you don't see it on your layout, open it from the View menu under Docs, then look for Scene Transitions. In the Scene Transitions dock, click the drop-down to choose a base effect like Fade or Cut. Cut is instant and feels snappy, great for fast-paced content or when you don't want any visual softness. Fade is more cinematic and gentle, perfect for interviews, tutorials, or anything that benefits from a smooth change. To get a feel for each one, switch between scenes and watch how the transition behaves. Next, adjust the duration. This sets how long the transition takes. Shorter durations, like 150 to 300 milliseconds, feel quick and responsive. Longer ones, around 500 to 800 milliseconds or more, feel smoother and more intentional. There's no universal right answer. Pick a duration that matches your content's energy. If you want more variety, click the plus button in the Scene Transitions dock to add options like Swipe, Slide, Luma Wipe, or Stinger. Swipe and slide move the frame across the screen. Luma Wipe uses a pattern or luminance map to reveal the next scene. Stinger is the most customizable because it uses a video file as the transition itself. Choose Stinger when you want a branded animation. Select your transition video file, then set the transition point. This is the exact moment OBS should cut from the current scene to the next, often synced to a logo cover or a sound hit. You can define the point by time or frame, scrub through your animation, and match the peak moment for a clean, seamless switch. If your Stinger has transparency, make sure the file is rendered with an alpha channel so the overlay looks crisp. For scene-specific behavior, right-click a scene in the scenes list, choose Transition Override, and pick a unique transition just for that scene. This is great for intros, gameplay, or sponsor moments without changing your global default. Before you go live, enable Studio Mode. This gives you a preview on the left and program on the right so you can test transitions safely. When everything looks good, click Transition to push it live with confidence.